morning children. In previous class we discussed about measures of central tendency, mean, median and mode. Now we will see how to apply those three measures in problems. Let's see. I have taken chapter 14, exercise 14.1, page number 337. First question, second question I have taken here. Consider the following distribution of daily wages of 50 workers of a factory. Daily wages in rupees and number of workers he has given 200 to 250, 12, 250 to 314, 300 to 358, 350 to 406, 400 to 450, 10. Am I clear children? This number of workers is nothing but frequency I can say, and this daily wages is nothing but class interval. Clear children? Now we see what he is asking to find. Find the mean daily wages of the workers of the factory by using an appropriate method. Appropriate method he mentioned children because mean is having mean have three methods. Mean by direct method, mean by deviation method, mean by step deviation method. So he mentioned any one method you can use. Which method he didn't mention, but this question I will solve by all three methods. Okay children? Let's see. Mean by direct method. Formula is summation fi xi by summation fi. To find mean, first we need to prepare a table. In first column, class interval. In second column, frequencies we will take. In third column, mid values we will take, which we denoted by xi. And frequencies will denoted by fi. Then in fourth column, this fi and xi we will multiply. Am I clear children? Class interval he has given up to 450. I took that. Number of workers are nothing but frequencies that I have taken. Here summation fi means we need to add this all frequencies. Summation is nothing but sum. We need to add it. Already he mentioned 50 workers. So that 50 you can write, or otherwise you add 12 plus 14, 26. 26 plus 8, 34. 34 plus 6, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. You will get the same number only. Now the third column we need to find mid values, which we are denoting by xi. How to find mid values? Class interval is there 200 to 250. We need to add these two numbers. How many numbers we are adding children? Two numbers. That's why we need to divide by 2. 200 plus 250 divided by 2. 200 plus 250, 450 divided by 2. That is nothing but 2 ones 2, 2 twos 4. Again 2 twos 4, remainder is 1, give to 0, that become 10, 2 5s 10. So what is the answer? 225. Similarly, second mid values 250 plus 300 divided by 2. If you do, you will get 275. How much distance is coming here? How much difference is coming students here? 225 to 275? 50. Our frequency is also 50. So one more way is there, easy way you can do. Add 50 here, 275 plus 50, you will get 325. 325 plus 50, 375. 375 plus 50, 425 you will get. Am I clear children? Again I will explain you this. See, there are two ways to find mid values. First, you need to add class interval, lower limit and upper limit. 200 plus 250 divided by 2. So, you will get 450 by 2. Cancel it, you will get 225. Clear? Second class interval, 250 plus 300 divided by 2. You will get 275. Clear? Now, you see how much difference is there in 225 to 275. 15 difference is there. That 50 you need to add in this, you will get the third mid value. If you add again in this 50, you will get the fourth mid value. If you add again 50 here, you will get the fifth mid value. Otherwise, for all numbers, add this lower limit and upper limit, divide by 2, you will get. Add lower and upper limit, divide by 2, you will get the mid values. Am I clear children? Now, fourth column is fi and xi. Fi is here 12, xi is 225. 12 into 225. That is 2700. Next is 14 into 275. That answer is 3850. 8 into 325. You multiply students, you will get 2600. Fourth one is 6 into 375. If you multiply, you will get 2250. Next is 10 into 425. You multiply, you will get 4250. Am I clear children? We got fi and xi in whole column. Now you add all these numbers, that is nothing but summation fi xi. 2700 plus 3850 plus 2600 plus 2250 plus 4250. If you add, you will get 15,650. Am I clear, children? Did you understand this table? Now the formula is summation fi xi by summation fi. Summation fi xi we got 15,650 and summation fi we got 50. Now we need to cancel it. 0 0 get cancelled. 5 ones 5, 5 3s 15, 5 ones 5, remaining is 1, give to that 5, that become 15. 5 3s 15. So what is our answer? 313. Am I clear, children? This answer we got by direct method. Now let's see another method, mean by deviation method. What is deviation method formula? Mean equal to a plus sigma fi di by sigma, also you can say, a summation you can say, children, a plus summation fi di by summation fi. He mentioned class interval and frequencies fi. I copied those. Again here also we need to find the mid values, which is denoted by xi. Already I told you how to find the mid values. Upper limit and lower limit we need to add and divide by 2, you will get the mid value. Similarly I have done for this all. 250 plus 300 divided by 2, 275. 300 plus 355 divided by 2, 325. Here I have shown you how we are getting these values. By the same formula I am solving. So we got 275, 325, 375, 425. Am I clear, children? Now one more thing, di. Di formula is xi minus a. Clear? Here in mid values we need to select any one value as a. So I am selecting upper value, first upper number only as a. You can select any number, lower number also you can select, middle number also you can select, second number you can select, fourth number you can select. From mid values column you can select any number as assumed number, assumed mean. So first I am supposing here first number only. I will tell you why. So what is xi minus a? Xi is 225 only. A also 225, that's why we are subtracting. So I am getting 0. 225 minus 225, 0. If you are confusing here, see the next. Xi is what? 275. What is A? Assumed value 225. So 275 minus 225, we are getting 50. Clear? Now third one, xi is 325. See, one more I will solve it. 325 minus 225. So answer is 100. So how much difference we are getting, children, here? 0, 50, 100, 50, 50. So next will be 150. Next will be 200. Next will be 250, like that. Am I clear, children? Here I have shown you how to substitute the value and how we are getting the numbers. In 3 numbers I have shown you. Otherwise, without that also, first 2 numbers you can find. How much difference you are getting first number to second number? Add those numbers and you will get the third and fourth. 0 plus 50, 50 plus 50, 100, 100 plus 50, 150, 150 plus 50, 200, like that. Am I clear, children? Now next column is fi into di. What is fi here? Fi is this and di is this. 12 into 0, 0. 14 into 50, 700. 8 into 100, 800. 6 into 150, 900. 10 into 200, 2000. Am I clear, children? Which column I am multiplying? Second and fourth column I am multiplying. Add it. 0 plus 700 plus 800 plus 900 plus 2000. That is nothing but summation fi di. Adding this fi di column is nothing but summation fi di. That answer is 4400. Am I clear, children? Now the formula for mean by step deviation method is a plus summation fi di by summation fi. A is nothing but assumed value, which we assumed as 225 in mid column, middle values, plus fi di is 4400. Divided by summation fi is 50. Clear, children? This 225 as it is I am copying, plus this 0 get cancelled. 5 ones 5, 5 8s 40, remainder is 4, that become 40. 5 8s 40, so 88 will come. 225 plus 88. 225 plus 88 you add, children, you will get 313. Am I clear, children? Mean by, children, Third method, mean by step deviation method, formula is a plus summation fi ui by summation fi into h. Here for the step deviation method we need 5 columns, 1 2 3 4 5. Correct. This class interval and frequencies he has given, we have taken as it is, and these frequencies we need to add, that is nothing but summation fi, that will get 50. Clear children? Now third column as it is, we need to find mid values, how we solve in direct method and deviation method. Again I will tell you, mid values denoted by xi, that is nothing but upper limit plus lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2, that is 450 by 2 is 225. Then second mid value is 250 plus 300 divided by 2, you will get 275. Similarly you find all mid values. Clear children? Now fourth column is ui formula is xi minus a by h. Here xi is nothing but mid values, h is nothing but height of the class, that is nothing but 200 to 250. How much difference is there? 50. 250 minus 200, 50. 300 minus 250, 50. 350 minus 300, 50. 400 minus 350, 50. 450 minus 400, 50. So difference is 50 only, that is nothing but height of the class h. So what is a? A is nothing but assumed mean. From mid values we need to take any number as a. You can take first number, you can take last number, you can take middle number, correct? But here I am taking first number only. Why I am taking? In deviation method also I told you, I will tell you children, but I did not say till now, correct children? Now why we are taking means, let's see first in the problem. ui is nothing but xi minus a by h. xi is 225 minus a also 225 only children, whole divided by h is 50. Just now we counted 225 minus 225, 0 by 50 is 0. First one is 0. Second one you see children, xi is nothing but 275. A is what? 225 divided by 50. 275 minus 225, 50. 50 divided by 50, 1. So 0, 1. Third is 325 minus 225 divided by 50. Correct? 100 by 50. Ones, 2s. 50 ones, 50 twos, 2. So 0, 1, 2. So next number will be 3 and 4. So we will get easily 0, 1 to 1 number difference we will get. That's why first number I am taking as a. Wherever you assumed, any number you assumed, there you will get as 0. In deviation method also, you took the 225 as a. That wherever you are taking a, you got 0 only children. That's why assumed value column you will get, beside column you will get 0. After that it will be easy. Here we are dividing by 50, that's why we are getting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 directly without calculation you can write. Am I clear children? That's why first number I am taking as a. Here in deviation method you are getting 50-50 difference, correct? First one 0, second one 50, third one 100, like that easily you will get. Similarly here also easily 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why first number I took as a. From 0 to so on we can continue this column. Am I clear children? Now we need to multiply this f and u. 12 into 0, 0 only. 14 into 1, 14. 8 into 2, 16. 6 into 3, 18. 10 into 4, 40. Add all these numbers. Summation FIUI is 88. After adding, you will get 88. Am I clear, children? Now, summation FIUI is 88. Summation FI is 50. H also 50. A is 225. Assumed mean. So, mean by step deviation method is A plus summation FIUI divided by summation FI into H. A, substitute the numbers, you will get the answer. 225 plus FIUI is 88 divided by 50. Summation FI is 50 into 50. This denominator 50, numerator 50 get cancelled. So 225 plus 88 you will get. Add it, you will get 313. Am I clear, children? We solve mean by three methods: direct, deviation and step deviation method. In all methods you got the mean as 313 only, same. You do by any method, your answer will be same, students. Am I clear, children? All three methods. Now your homework is solve chapter 14, exercise 14.1, question number 1, 3 and 4. Page number 336 and 337 by step deviation method. That means in this exercise you need to find mean only, not by all three methods, only step deviation method you need to use. Am I clear, children?